If a monkey takes a picture, who owns the copyright? Well, according to Wikimedia, the answer is no one. In 2011, photographer David Slater took a series of photographs of a group of crested black macaques in Indonesia. Whilst taking the photos, however, one of the endangered monkeys hijacked his camera before snapping hundreds of pictures. Although many of them were blurry, there were also a number of stunning images, including a selfie of the grinning macaque. The monkey selfies went viral on the internet, and Slater has been trying to get Wikimedia to stop distributing the famous photos for free. But despite repeated complaints, Wikimedia is contending that because he didn't actually take the picture, he doesn't own the copyright. Wikimedia claims that since an animal took the picture, the photo doesn't belong to any recognised copyright holder and therefore belongs in the public domain. Slater has been trying to get the photo taken down from Wikimedia's website, but so far the organisation has refused.